Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of cybersecurity for data embedding techniques of decomposition of images using discrete wavelet transform. So the main aim of this project is to demonstrate high effectiveness in securing sensitive information, minimal perception distortion, and making it promising technique using discrete wavelet transform. Now to hide the text inside the images. So in this project, we are using algorithm discrete wavelet transform to hide the text inside the images. We can see the block diagram. So first, initially we collected the data set of images, and second is discrete wavelet transform decomposition. So the image is divided into four frequency. Like first is low frequency, and second low-high frequency, and third high-low frequency, and fourth high and high frequency. So this discrete wavelet decomposition is applied to these images. After that, we are using secret data embedding to this discrete wavelet transform decomposition. Then we are using inverse discrete wavelet transform. After that, we are using cyber security measures. And after that, we apply, it will save as a stico image. Then after that, once it is saved, we can extract using the file decode process. Now we can see the code. Type ideally, click on open. Click on file, open. So in this project, we are using the libraries NumPy, Python image library, and discrete wavelet transform library. Tkinter is used for GUI, creating the graphical user interface, and file dialog is used for to select the particular images from the folder. And here we are used for to creating the title and the background image and the label, and this is for used for creating the buttons, encoding message and decoding. And here we are selecting the images using file dialog, and here we are encoding the text, and here we are decoding the images. It will display the images. Click on run model. So here you can select the images. So you will get the message successfully downloaded. Click on OK. Can type the text. After entering the text, click on encode. Encoded saved as stico image. Click on OK. Then click on decode and select the stico image. And get the extracted text and the images, which is stico image. You can display. We can check for another input. Select the image. The background image loaded. Can I enter next? Click on import. Import it. Save as sticker image. Click on OK. And click on default message. On sticker image. Imported extracted steganographic text and parallel as well as images. Sticker image, it will display.